Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this consultation series. We're going to give you all kinds of tips and tricks for effectively and properly lighting up your home. If you want to get your free consultation, just shoot me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. Send me a few pictures and we'll give you a video presentation of what lights are going to work best with your property, or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca or go check out all our videos on YouTube. So the next use of our uplight is going to be the traditional style, where we're using it to accent a tree. And I often get asked, well, how many lights should I use on each tree? And it really depends on the size of the tree and what you're looking for. But on any smaller tree, usually one light is going to be enough. But I always tell people, make sure you leave lots of extra wire at the base, because if you want to add more lights down the road, you can do that. And as that tree grows, you're probably going to want to do that. But this is a bigger tree. We've got a multi-branch tree here with a couple big stems, so we're going to use two lights. We're going to use one on this side and one on the other side. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.